I used to study over 3 hours a day and still forget most of what I learned. But then I changed my approach. Now, I study less and get better grades. Here's how you can too. Tip 1. Stop reading, start active recall. Reading doesn't help you remember as much as you think. Instead, study for about 20 minutes, then close your book and try to recall everything out loud or write down what you remember. This forces your brain to actively work, which improves memory. Tip 2. Use the blurting method. Try brain dumping everything you know on a topic without looking at your notes. Afterward, review what you missed and fill in the gaps. This helps build stronger, longer-lasting memory connections. Tip 3. Focus on one subject per session. Multitasking feels productive but actually wastes time and attention. Dedicate 30 minutes to just one subject at a time, with no distractions. You'll learn faster and retain more. Tip 4. Schedule daily mini-reviews. Instead of cramming, spend 5 minutes each day reviewing what you learned. These mini-reviews keep information fresh and reduce stress before exams. Tip 5. Teach someone or yourself. Explaining concepts to others helps you understand them better. If you don't have a study buddy, teach your stuffed animal or talk through the material out loud to yourself. Bonus tip 6. Take breaks the right way. Short breaks refresh your brain, but avoid scrolling social media. Instead, take a quick walk, stretch, or practice deep breathing for a few minutes to reset your focus. Bonus tip 7. Set tiny, clear goals. Break your study time into small, clear goals. Instead of study math, say practice 5 algebra problems. Checking off these small wins keeps you motivated and focused. Remember, it's not about studying more, it's about studying smarter. You've got this. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more study hacks and smart tips. See you in the next video.